During the last couple of weeks, I made $5,000 working 1 hour a day, selling newsletters created by AI, and then using TikTok to gain subscribers so I could sell it for $5,000. I did this in a span of only 3 weeks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it too, so that you guys can make your first $1,000 online. Let's put this very simple. I first want you to sign up to Beehive, and then I want you to create a newsletter on it. Come up with a name related to the niche you choose. It can be crypto, stock trading, or even news about cats. Just choose one you think people are going to buy. In this video, I'm choosing AI, since a lot of people are interested in it, and it got a big market, so people can spend a lot of money on it. After you've done that, I want you to go into TikTok and create an account with the same name you have on your newsletter. But I don't want you to upload TikToks on it immediately. What you want to do instead is to warm up the account by following, liking, and commenting on videos related to your niche. In my case, it's AI. By doing this, TikTok won't think you're a bot, and they will put your videos on the FYP so you don't end up like most of the people getting 0 views and likes. You want to warm up your account for at least 48 hours before uploading TikToks. So in the meantime, I want you to start writing your newsletter. Go into Google's version of ChatGPT called Gemini and ask it for the top 5 latest news about your niche. After you've done that, copy it and go into ChatGPT and ask it to create a newsletter of it. Once you have done that, go into your Beehive dashboard and click Start Writing. Simply copy-paste it into Beehive and customize it however you like it. After that, click on Publish. Congratulations, you're officially a business owner. Now you need to have subscribers to actually make it worth something, because obviously everyone can do this. So now, to the secret sauce. How can I gain as many subscribers as possible in a short amount of time so I can make money fast? Most newsletter owners have a growth of about 25% a year. Using my method, I grew almost 95% this month. To put this in perspective, that's almost 4 years worth of subscribers in only 1 month. I'm not sure if it's a good idea sharing this with you guys, but I'm going to do it anyways. This method got me almost 500 subscribers in a day, which is equivalent to $300 if you sell it, and that's only in a day. So what is this secret method that I talk about? So put it simply, you want to create videos offering people ebook like these accounts. These accounts are exploding, making them thousands of dollars every month, only uploading 1 video a day. But why are they exploding, and how can we leverage these viral videos so we can get as many subscribers as possible? Well, offer them ebooks if they subscribe to your newsletter. Put a link to it in bio, and people will automatically subscribe because they want the ebook. Boom, now just upload videos and try to get them to go viral to get as many subscribers and keep growing it. So you now have built a newsletter, you got at least 1,000 subscribers, and you have an interesting niche. You got a good logo and a good name, and now want to sell it to make thousands of dollars on it. There's lots of markets where people sell their newsletter, but the #1 marketplace is Deuce. Go into deuce.com and sign up. You can use their newsletter valuation if you want to see what your newsletter is worth. Also look at what other newsletter owners have listed their newsletter for. Obviously, the valuation varies if you have monetized the newsletter or not. But if you have 1,000 subscribers, you should at least make a couple hundreds on it. There's also more sites like Side Projects or microns.io where you can list your project. After you listed your project, someone will buy your newsletter, and you will get a lot of money for it. That's it, guys. Too much secret sauce was told in this video. So you better hit the subscribe button and like button so you don't miss out on any more secret business models like this. But anyways, thanks for watching. Say ah.